Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick little TJ Maxx beauty haul. I have some new items that I had gotten at TJ Maxx that I don't believe I've shared with you yet, and I just wanted to hop on here and make a quick little video. I know it's been a minute since I was able to film. I've just been dealing with a lot of chronic pain, so I've been trying to do videos when I can. So I just wanted to share with you some really cute items, and also if you want to see me use this makeup, I have a new Facebook page which is for Facebook Lives and where I post my little shorter videos. That Facebook is Everyday Glam by ThatNoraChick. I'll link it below so you guys can find it. And I went on live there earlier today doing this makeup look. Most of the items I used were from this TJ Maxx haul. So yeah, let me go ahead and get started. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Nora. I do all things plus size fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, feel free to follow me and subscribe. And I usually post once to twice a week. Lately it's just been a little bit more far apart from each other because I've been dealing with some health challenges, but for the most part I love to post once to twice a week, and I do all things fashion, beauty. So yeah, if you like little hauls like this is definitely a place to be. So let me go ahead and get started. The first thing and my favorite thing are these two palettes that I got from TJ Maxx, and these are by I Love Revolution, and the first one is my new favorite palette. This one is called the I Love Revolution Chocolate Orange palette. So this palette is perfect. It was $6.99. It's perfect for if you love those fall looks, that pumpkin spice look, or even just summer looks, because it has some bright and neutral colors in here. This is just a perfect palette for even an everyday look. It's just perfect for any look. You can create so many looks with this. I love the pops of orange with this palette. Look at these colors. It's so stunning. I'm so obsessed with this palette. I use it daily now. It has some really pretty neutral colors, and those little pops of orange make it perfect for, I'm excited to use this for once fall starts. I'm so excited to make some nice little fall looks with this palette. And look how cute it is. It looks like a little chocolate bar. That's kind of the style that they use. So this one is chocolate orange. And then this one is I Love Revolution I Heart Chocolate Salted Caramel palette. And if you go onto my Facebook Live, I'm actually doing a giveaway for this palette in particular. There's going to be a giveaway. Just watch the live video there, and you can comment, and you can enter the giveaway that way. You'd be able to comment on the giveaway on Facebook. It would be comment a number between 1 through 30, and then tonight or tomorrow I'm going to be picking the winner, whoever got the number or closest to the number that I selected. So this palette is adorable. It's like a little chocolate bar also. It's so cute. And this one also has your neutrals, your browns, just perfect neutral colors, and then it has that little pop of blue right there in the middle. It's so cute, and this was $6.99, you guys. These palettes are at an awesome price at TJ Maxx. If for any reason you can't find these palettes at TJ Maxx, I did link them. I was able to find them on my Facebook, not my Facebook, my Amazon favorites storefront. I have a little storefront where I add all of my favorites. So what I do is, if you can't find the items at TJ Maxx, feel free to check out my Amazon favorites. I'll go ahead and link it below. And they might be a couple dollars more through Amazon, but I mean, these palettes are adorable. And it's definitely worth, I'm sorry, I'm just checking my eye because it felt like my lash popped out, but no, it didn't. All right. So yeah, this is an adorable palette, and I'm giving this palette away with a pair of lashes and a lip gloss, and that will be on my Facebook Live page. So if you're not following me there, you can feel free to follow me if you're interested in winning this palette. But this palette is so cute, and I love them so much. And yeah, so these are my favorite finds, recent finds. Then I got this pack of, hold on. Then I got this pack of wipes from Cala Wipes, and these wipes were $3.99, and they're aloe vera They're actually like my favorite wipes from TJ Maxx because they just like, they're perfect for like makeup removing. And I don't know, I just love the way my skin feels after I use these. It's just aloe vera does something to my skin. So the next thing I found was these lipsticks. It's a matte lipstick collection by Nicole Miller. $4.99 at TJ Maxx, and it brings like these beautiful pinks and corals and like a little brown lipstick. And I'm actually wearing this lipstick, and look how pigmented. It's super pigmented, super pretty, and for the price, for $4.99, like you cannot beat this little lipstick set. I found some similar lipsticks from Nicole Miller. I didn't find the exact ones, but I found some really similar ones on Amazon. So I linked those below on the Amazon storefront also, just in case, you know, because TJ Maxx, I love TJ Maxx, but they change their items like daily or weekly. So sometimes you might not find what I have here. So what I did, you know, is I try to find the things on Amazon and link them there for you guys also, just, you know, in case you can't find it at the store. But I love these lipsticks. They're super pretty and very pigmented. I was surprised how pigmented they were. The next thing I got is this cute little contour kit by Ellen Tracy, and this was $4.99, and it is just like your basic powder contour kit. I'm actually wearing the contour, if you could see, like, it's really nice. It's really nice. I wish this color was a little darker, but this, for $4.99, you cannot beat this contour kit, and it actually works really well. So yeah, it was super cute. Love this. And then I think I may have shown this one in my last haul, my last video that I made, but this one I also got at TJ Maxx, so I figured I would throw it in here. This is from BH Cosmetics, the Blueberry Muffin palette, and this was mainly like shimmers and like glitters. This palette, I'm actually wearing the shimmery color that you see on my lid, that like light, like goldish color. That's from this palette, and this palette was like $7.99 at TJ Maxx. So I'm like obsessed. Then I got this eyeliner. It's a matte eyeliner pencil from Ellen Tracy, and this was $3.99. And I'm actually using it for the little wing that I have. You might not see it because I've been wearing this makeup for a little bit, but this pencil, I would give it a 4 out of 10. Not my favorite as far as like pencils go, but it's decent. It's okay. It's not terrible. And then I got this mascara by Beauty Concepts at TJ Maxx, and this came with an eyeliner, but I don't know what I did with the eyeliner, but this was $3.99, and it also came with a liquid liner. And yeah, so that's really good deals. Let's see, what else did I get at TJ Maxx? Oh, I also got this perfume, but I think I did mention this in the last one, and this is the English Laundry Abbey perfume for $14.99, which is an awesome deal. And so I got all of these things at TJ Maxx as of recently. I just had not had a chance to, oh, this thing. Okay, hold on one second. I just hadn't had a chance to get on here and show you guys. But then I have this sheet mask set. It's a set of 5 face sheet masks by Skin Aesthetics. And, you know, it brings a little sheet mask. I used this last night, and I've used this last week also. And it just leaves your skin feeling like really refreshed, really rejuvenated. And this one has a hyaluronic acid age defense formula. So this was a really, really good deal for these sheet masks. They're like very hydrating. So I really love them, and the pack was $4.99. And I also did see them on Amazon, but they're a little bit more expensive on Amazon, but not too much. So I think that is everything I found at TJ Maxx. Let me just double check. Yeah, that's everything that I found. I just wanted to go ahead and share that with you. So let me know in the comments below if you like this little mini haul. I just wanted to share these with you guys because I've had them in here for a few weeks now, just hanging out. And yeah, if you like videos like this, make sure to comment below. Let me know what other places you might want to see a haul from. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check the links in the description box where I'll list everything. And I have my storefront there. And if you're looking for like really pretty lashes to add to the look, I do have my lash brand, which is actually the lashes I'm wearing. My lash brand is glambynoratorres.bigcartel.com. So I'll link it below. And I have foam ink, 3D ink, and all types of lashes and lip glosses. They're like scented lip glosses. And I will link that below for you guys. So make sure you check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.